How to make a Netflix account. So basically, if you want to make and subscribe to Netflix, it is very simple to do so. We will begin with the process of also creating our account. First step first, you want to go to your browser and go to netflix.com. If you're using on phone, I would also recommend the same thing. Just open your browser instead of the app. So once you go to netflix.com, here you can see ready to watch, enter your email to create your membership, right? So just go ahead and enter the email address that you would like to use in this case right here. And once you enter the email address, make sure you can access this email address and log in because you will receive all your payment information verifications later on within this. So once done, just hit the get started button that you can see here. It says finish setting up your account. So here all you have to do is just hit the next button right here. Now it will ask you to simply choose a password, right? So I'll simply go ahead and then choose a password for myself. If you do not want Netflix to email you special offers, you can select that, but you can leave it whatever. It's just your personal choice. Remember the email and password that you have created and then just hit the next button right here. Now, next step is we have to choose our plan. So we will just click the next option. There are four plans on Netflix. If you are a single person, you can use the mobile plan, which offers you 480 pixels of quality. If you want basic plan, which will offer you 720 pixels, the standard plan will offer you 1080 pixels, which will cost you $8. The premium 4K plan will cost you $10, right? It will actually give you 4K plus HDR. So there is the mobile plan for $2.99, basic for $3.99, standard for $7.99, and premium for $9.99. Depending upon which one you want, you can see all the limitations of each of these plans and then you can just hit the next button. Last but not the least, you have to simply finish with your payment information such as your credit or debit card. So just enter your credit or debit card number that you can see here, then enter the expiration date, the CVV, the name on the card, agree to the terms and conditions, hit the start membership option. If your payment details are correct, you'll receive a verification email, and once done, your Netflix membership will successfully begin. So this way you can make a Netflix account and also subscribe to it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.